Hello everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. And for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong XM account types na ino-offer ng broker na to dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. On this video discussion, pag-uusapan din po natin in brief kung paano ka makapagbukas ng trading account with XM. And I assume na meron ka ng idea sa broker na to with their promotions and online advertisements. At nandito ka ngayon para makapaghanap ng information or detailed discussion about the trading account types ng broker na ito. Kaya if you think this video is for you, tapusin mo lang itong panuorin dahil hindi po ito mahaba na video tutorial. Before we are going to proceed doon sa discussion ng XM trading account types, pag-uusapan po muna natin in brief kung paano ka makapagbukas ng trading account sa broker na to. At ang good news, pag nag-open ka ng trading account today, pwede ka magkaroon ng 100% deposit bonus na up to $500. And to start the registration process, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. Then, you can simply click it. At dito ka i-route mismo sa official sign-up page ng XM gaya na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil lahat ng mga information na kailangan and the exact process ay pareho lang as we use desktop. Now, all we need to do, of course, is to put our country of residence. Ayan, naka-default po ang Philippines. And then, ilalagay natin ang ating active email. And then, create your desired password. Check lang po natin ito dito. And finally, proceed itong register button. So, sundan mo lang ang proseso ng pag-register. And i-input lang ang tamang information na kailangan. So, meron lamang po itong tatlong steps for you to officially have a trading account with XM. Una is itong register. And second, ang paglalagay ng ating personal information. And for the final part is itong pag-verify ng ating identity using our valid IDs like any government-issued identification document and the proof of address. In case na magkaroon ka ng issue na kailangang i-resolve on creating your account, feel free to directly communicate sa support ng XM mismo by clicking this support button dito. Ayan. Now, ito yung 3 classification ng XM real account types. First, itong standard account. Second, the ultra low account. And third, the shares account. Talking about standard account, according to XM, open our most popular account to get bonuses that boost your trading power and reduce the risk to your capital. Practically speaking, ang account na to ang pinaka-popular sa XM trading broker. Itong ultra-low account naman is the ideal choice for trading high volumes. Reduce your costs with low spreads and even lower swap fees and commissions. Ideal po ito sa mga professional traders and also sa mga gumagamit ng expert advisors or EAs. Both standard and ultra-low account ay magagamit to markets like forex, precious metals, equity indices, cryptocurrencies, thematic indices, stocks, turbo stocks, commodities, and energies. Furthermore, itong shares account ay of course nakafocus sa stock market opportunities. As the account name itself emphasizes, itong shares. All accounts offer negative balance protection, hedging, and Islamic option as standard. If the currency you deposit into your account is not United States dollar, the amount shown is the equivalent in the deposit currency. This time, idig deeper natin ang mga necessary informations or trading conditions about these XM account types. So we have here the account features. Una, itong micro account options. With standard account, yes, available ang micro. Ganun din sa ultra-low account, may option for ultra-low micro. And dito naman sa shares, ay wala po siyang micro account option. In terms of bonus eligibility, ay available lamang ito with standard account. Sa leverage naman, both standard and ultra-low accounts ay may up to 1,000:1 leverage. On the other hand, ang shares account ay wala po siyang leverage. In terms naman sa commission, ang shares account lang ang may commission. Talking about swap-free, meaning account na may available na hindi tayo magbabayad ng swap, ay open lamang po siya with ultra-low account and shares account. Ibig sabihin, dito sa standard account ay talagang may swap na babayaran. Minimum volume trade, 0.01 lots with standard and ultra low accounts, and 1 lots naman with shares account. Stop out level, 20% with both standard and ultra low accounts, and 0% with shares account. In terms naman sa spreads on all majors, for as low as 1.6 pips dito sa standard account, as low as 0.8 pips with ultra low accounts, and as per underlying exchange dito sa shares account. Finally, itong minimum deposit, both standard and ultra low accounts ay for as low as $5. With shares account naman ay meron itong minimum deposit na $10,000. Alright? So ang tanong ngayon, gusto mo bang mag-practice ng trading na libre? We are talking now the XM demo account. At ako'y naniniwala na hindi natin pwedeng i-underestimate ang pag-practice with demo account dahil dito tayo makapag-explore ng trading strategies na pwede nating subukan without risking our capital. Bakit? Dahil dito gagamitin lamang po natin ay ang virtual funds. Very favorable ito lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners. And along the way, kung gusto na po nating mag-trade ng totoong pera na, then that's the time na pwede na po tayong mag-switch doon sa real account na mga nabanggit natin kanina. So before we are going to end this tutorial, sagutin muna natin itong concern kung ano ang best XM account for beginners. Disclaimer lang po mga kaibigan, this is based on my personal evaluation only. At ang i-recommend ko is itong standard account. Bakit? First reason, this is the most popular trading account in XM and default on account opening. And the best part is, meron lamang itong minimum deposit na $5. Pwedeng sabihin na ang account na to ay merong swap or magbabayad tayo ng swap. But as a beginner, as to my experience, hindi mo kailangang magpatulog ng trade muna. Dahil nagsisimula ka pa lang, usually minomonitor natin yan. At ang pinaka-advantage dito, this is the XM trading account na bonus eligible. In line with this, pwede ka magkaroon ng 100% deposit bonus na up to $500. Imaginein mo ang $500 na free capital na pwede mong i-trade as a beginner. So mga kaibigan, that's all lang po muna for this video. I hope na ang content natin ngayon ay nakatulong sa'yo in order to learn more about the XM trading account types. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.